Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got another ride and review today. A public relations company invited me to come in to try out a brand new steakhouse. I don't know much about it other than the burger looks good. The place is called FRITES Bistro. French spot. It's up in Hell's Kitchen. So I'm gonna rip up 8th Avenue. Haven't been on this in a while. Last time I was on here, they were doing a lot of road work, but it looks like now it's all paved up nice. So this PR company invited me in. I'm bringing 2 guests with me. One guy you saw from one of my other ride and reviews, NYC Food FOMO. I figure if we got 3 people with us, we could try a good amount of stuff and I could get a real feel for whether I like this place. Yeah, it looks like they widened the bike lane on 8th Avenue too. It's a little more cozy over here. Starting to get cold. We had some rain the other day and now whatever's left on the streets kind of froze a little bit, so got to be careful of the ice. Speaking of being cautious, one of my friends who has a popular motorcycle blog, Ducati NYC, his YouTube account was hacked. His Gmail account was hacked. Completely taken over, all his videos deleted. All his passwords changed. He's struggling to try to get it back. I mean, that really sucks. And one of my friends who's meeting with me today for this steakhouse meal, his account on Instagram was called Jeweets. He was hacked the same way. Someone got into his account, changed all his login credentials, and basically hijacked his account. It sucks. It really sucks. You got to be so careful now with your information online, your accounts. So like I was saying, I don't know much about this place other than it opened really recently. I don't know, a couple weeks, something like that. I noticed a few other Instagram accounts, people that I'm friends with have been there too, posting up pictures. All right, the crazies are out. So this place is over near, I guess it's near Port Authority and Penn Station. Like I'm just passing Penn right now. I just passed it. This place is up on like 38th or 39th and 9th Avenue. So I'm gonna take a left somewhere soon. Oh, White Castle, baby. Hold on a second. Pit stop. White Castle. Coming soon. Nice. That's good to know. It used to be right there, right next door to that spot, that corner, and then it closed down, which bummed me out because then the closest one for me is like 116th and 1st Avenue, which is, you know, it's a hike, but on the bike it's fine. I went up there once and grabbed some burgers on the bike way back with a buddy of mine, Nick, who's also a White Castle fan. But that's good to know it's coming back. I'm excited. Love me some White Castle. Oh, puddles. Puddles, puddles. Christmas trees and puddles. Alright, this is a crowded street, jeez. Alright, let's see. All right, here it is. Steak Frites. Steak Frites Bistro. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside. I'm gonna lock this baby up. Thank you, sir. Check it out. It's nice in here. How long have you guys been open? 6 weeks. All right, cool.
For that little place they had?
Yeah, that was like that boucherie miniature.
Yeah.
The Dominic's Bistro?
Dominic Bistro.
Down by the village?
This kind of looks like it. The flaw was very nice.
Oh, and the fork.
I've made
Got some tartare,
Plate?
pate. Oh, what's that?
Yes, come.
Oh.
Let me get mine. I'm just gonna let him finish up, and then I'll slide over. You said terrine, yeah? So what they just did in poker is called going. Thank you, sir. It was good?
Yeah, the flaw's really nice.
Do a little knifing.
Look at that, beautiful. Cote de boeuf.
Sorry about this.
Just do it.
You good with the butter? Baby, I'm buddy on free. Yeah,
go for it.
Probably want to kill it. Okay. This is the. So. Nice. Let me help you out. Thank you.
Fry City.
Would you guys like side plates? I know there's a lot of plates on
Well, we can pass it around. What happened to the sear on this guy?
Non-existent.
It's like a minute stay. Oh, it's because it spins. Maybe? I feel like I should get a picture of these two. What do you think?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm ready. From high up.
Ready?
You're good. Give me another pass. Give me one more pass.
Back to front or from back? Never go back.
Either way. Yeah.
Fully in breast.
All right. That place was good. I think my favorite items were the hanger steak and the burger française. Very nice burger. Gruyere, dry-aged patty, homemade brioche bun, gherkins, cornichons, whatever you want to call them, those little tiny French fucking pickles. Stone ground mustard. Really nice burger. The strip steak, you might have heard us talking about it. It didn't have too much of a crust on it, too much of a sear. We got some noise here. Yeah, didn't have a lot of a sear on it, so that kind of took away from it a bit, but the flavor was really good because it was dry aged on that strip. The big ribeye, which they call the Cote de Boeuf, that was good, juicy, not dry aged. That was fresh, huge, smelled great, looked beautiful, nicely plated. French fries at this place are excellent, and I really like the escargot from the starters. That kind of stole the show for me. So to sum it up, burger, fries, hanger steak, escargot. Those are the top items to get. But, you know, you should jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review, all the details. And as usual, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma.